Hello everyone, my name is Varun. I'm having 9 years of experience in automation testing. So today we will start with what is the use of find element on a browser. Okay, how to find an element on a browser. So find element is used to identify the web element on a page. Okay, so let us consider this particular piece of web element, that is first name. So let us try to enter some values in this first name. So how to identify this web element is by using an Xpath. Okay, so first initially we'll try to go with Xpath. Okay, so how to find an Xpath is very simple. So initially just need to right click over here, click on inspect. So this will launch an inspector, and just click over here and slowly you can drag it to the screen and click over there. So you can see attribute name and attribute value, attribute name, attribute value. So all these are the attribute name, and so with this combination we can create your own XPath, and then you can perform click operation, send keys operation, actions on the web element. Okay, so let us try to consider placeholder and first name. So I feel this attribute name and value will be common throughout the web page. So I will click over here, will copy this, I will click Control F, so it will launch this space over here. So here I will write double slash star. Star means it will search throughout the page. So if I remove this, see, it will search throughout the page. Okay, so I will paste it, this one, placeholder first name, and then at the rate. So you can see I copied this placeholder and first name and I pasted it over here, and square bracket open, square bracket close, attribute name and attribute value. Okay, here I will mark it single quote. Okay, so this is the XPath which I have created. I will copy this. Okay, so let us try to write a small piece of code by using driver dot. Okay, so that's what is the use of find element. It is used to identify your web element on a page. I will use by command dot xpath method, copy paste this. So this is like I've written a code to identify the web element, okay, by using find element. Okay, so this is just to identify, but we're not performing any action over there till now, but it is just identifying a web element. So what we will do, we will store this find element in web element interface. Okay, first name. Okay, so I will store it in this variable known as first name. Next, what I will do, I will try to give a send keys command that is used to pass a sequence of characters to a input box. I will type Mitesh. Okay, so here again I will write thread dot sleep. It's not a good practice to write thread dot sleep, but still I wanted to show you how it is entering on a screen, so that it will wait for 5 seconds and then the browser will close. So to quit the WebDriver session, I will write driver dot quit. Okay, so this is like what I have written. So I have used this WebDriver manager edge driver setup. This is the another package from the Bonnie Garcia. Okay, so this will help me to set up edge driver automatically without downloading any driver, and then I will write WebDriver driver is equal to new edge driver. This will directly create a setup for me to launch an edge driver with the help of WebDriver manager. So rest of the code is like driver.get. Get method is used to launch this particular piece of browser. that is the test link. Next is like it will wait for implicitly wait for 30 seconds. It will wait for 30 seconds. If the browser is not launching within 30 seconds, it will throw an exception. Next is like driver.manage.window. It is used to maximize my window. So after all the setup, we're trying to identify your web element on the screen by using findElement method. Okay. There is also known as findElement, and there is another stuff known as findElements. So we'll see those stuffs later on. Okay, so I will try to execute this code as Java application. So you can see that it has entered Mitesh over here successfully, and it will close after 5 seconds. Okay, so that's how the findElement works. Okay, so here you can add few validations if you want, like if element dot first name is displayed, then you can enter like this. If findElement dot is displayed, if it is displayed, you can directly enter the first name. Else it will, you can write an validation over here by giving failed to enter the values. Okay, you can also give this if you want to give a specific validation. Okay, so here successfully entered the values. Okay, so let us try to execute this. So it has entered Mitesh over here and close after 5 seconds. So it is given as the message successfully entered the values. So we can give a further enhancement to the code like this. Okay, we can learn more stuffs. So currently we have gone through findElement. We will go through different XPath slowly, and we will see what is findElements, what we're having in that, etc, etc. We will learn more stuffs. So if you want to learn more and more of these stuffs, please do like, subscribe, and also click on the bell icon. So we'll see you on the later session. Thank you.